Hello Black, hello Ibid, hello guys, this is me, Mox Vibes, and welcome to my channel. Yay! So, it's another Lazy Cooking 101 in which I will be showing you quick and easy recipe that for sure you're gonna love it. And in today's video, I will be making a banana pancake. Yes, a banana pancake using only with 3 ingredients. So, are you excited? So what are you waiting for? Let's start now in 3, 2, 1. So, I'll be showing you our ingredients for today's recipe. Of course, I have here 2 bananas, and then the 2 eggs, the left and the right, and the maple syrup or any syrup you wanted. So, let's start. First, all you have to do is to peel the banana. And then smash it. Then the eggs. Then mix it. And then add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Mix. That's it, and let's proceed to cooking. So in a preheated pan, just add butter, or you can use oil. Let's add the butter mixture. So, after 5 minutes guys, let's flip it.
A few moments later.
So, here is the finished product guys. Can't wait to taste it. So, let's taste it. Let's eat. Tastes like banana. So that was it guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share and click the notification bell below for more videos, and please don't forget to subscribe. This is me once again, Mox Vibes, and until next time, see you soon, bye.